Why pronunciation is a more important for English learning? You know that pronunciation is the soul of the whole English speaking, entire English speaking. Because when you speak any language, the pronunciation is the most matter, and pronunciation is a very important for English learning. Because when you are pronounce the word, then word clarity, word intentions, and word specific point of view. This is a major thing. So please try to pronounce the word very clearly and deep focus. Like when I speak like impressive, then I a little bit focus on the word impressive, not impressive, impressive, impressive. And my tongue is a roll. My tongue is a roll. My face expressions. You can look my face expressions. So that's why. And this way you can pronounce the word and improve day by day at your home the pronunciations. So four major point I want to tell you, and I want to share with you that how can you improve your pronunciation at home in English speaking. You know that pronunciation is a major thing, and this is a very lead to English speaking. This is a role play is a very lead to English speaking, because every sentence you'll have to pronounce, like pronounce. So that's why they look at me that I'm pronounce the word, then I give the focus on the word, like focus. So please try to speak like me, like focus, focus. A little bit long distance, a little bit the words, it means a little bit थोड़े से जो वर्ड्स हैं उनको आपको खींचना है ताकि वर्ड्स में क्लियरिटी आए, फोकस आए, और थोड़ा सा स को षटकोण का जो शक्कर का स है उस तरह बोलने की तैयारी कर सकते हो आप. जैसे इंग्लिश 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 इंग्लिश, a little bit हल्का से उसे खींचना है. ओके, सो यू कैन डू it this thing. Okay, so you are try to speak this language, then every sentence pronounce, then you can try to pronounce the word very clearly, very on the focus, like focus and clarity, pronunciation. So many word I can speak. So please, you are trying to speak a specific roadmap, like when I pronounce the word, then I do to not mistake, and when I do to mistake, then I do to improve the mistakes and improve the backward, and try to speak this language very clearly. Maybe sometimes I'm think that why my English is not impressive, and this is the main reason that my English pronunciation is not very good. That's why my English is not looks very good. Like suppose that Shahrukh Khan speak English language, and then I speak English language, then both of me and Shahrukh Khan, the difference is a sky and soil, because difference is a very, this is a different, like when Shahrukh Khan speak the same sentence which I speak, but Shahrukh Khan looks like very good and I look very bad in English speaking, because Shahrukh Khan has a habit to speak this language firstly, and second that when the Shahrukh Khan speak, then smile. You know that in for the English speaking, smile is a very important. When you are smiling, then your face expression, your body language, your pronunciation as well as is improve. That's why smiling and body language, like I pronounce the word and then I use my hands, I use my body language, I use my tongue, I use my eyebrows like this, and I use my eye contact in the camera. So you can do also this thing, like each and every sentence when you pronounce, then try to speak and try to pronounce the word very specifically, very particularly, like very clarity in the word, not very rough word. You use the very good words and very clearly words when you use, then your pronunciation will improve. So try to this thing, and every time you are pronounce the word, because English is the pronunciation. English, all the entire English is the made by pronunciation, and you can do to this thing that download the Google Translate app and pronounce the word, and you can hear the pronunciation of the word in the Indian accents. Okay, you are write the word and you are click the voice and you are easily hear the Indian pronunciation, what is the best pronunciation, what is a better pronunciation as compared the other. You know, one sentence and one pronunciation, one word is a very good. Sometimes this word, any one person's pronounce the word different, and someone person pronounce the word different, like entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship. So please tell me, please comment this what's this what is this words correct pronunciation. Entrepreneurship, maybe this pronunciation is a very good, like entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship. Someone people say this entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship, but this is a wrong. Entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship, this is a totally good. Entrepreneurship, not a entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a correct sentence. Okay, so you can do this thing. Every sentence you are judge that this is a good pronunciation or not, this is a Indian pronunciation or not. You can do same this thing, then you will look your fluency after getting done approximately 2 months. Pronounce the word very clarity, and meaning is a very important. When you are know the about the meaning, like entrepreneur, what is the in the Hindi meaning entrepreneurship? Udmita, it means vyavasayik. You know, when you are know about the what is the Hindi meaning, then you are speak very clearly and very loudly. It means you have you have a setup in your mind that this words clear that this is I know about this words Hindi meaning. So this words is a automatically sound very good that you are know about this meaning, what's this meaning. So this is a very good that you are know about the in the Hindi and in your native language, that like what is the entrepreneur meaning, what is a lot of the things meanings. So this is a very improve for you and very better for you. Okay, so please try to do to this thing, and most of the time listening is the most important thing for learning English language. For the learning English language, listening is a more than better to read. Write is a not very enough to you, because when you are writing the language this is not enough, but listening and reading and try to speaking, this three thing is a major important. If you left the writing, then your English is running, but if you left your try to speak English language and listening and reading, then you have lost your English language. You couldn't able to speak this language in your entire life, because this is a major thing that if you are try to speak this language, then listening, reading and try to speak this language, this three thing is a major role play. Okay, so this is my video. So how do you feel that before the video? Thank you for watching till the end, and subscribe my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for like.